We are given a problem root a plus root a plus root a divided by a equals 3. We need to find out the value of a. This root a plus root a plus root a, we can write 3 times root a divided by a equals 3. Now we can take this a to the right side. So 3 times root a equals 3 times a. This a goes to the right side. Now 3 will get cancelled out from the both sides. So root a equals a. Now if you square on both sides, then root a square equals a square, or root a times root a equals a square. So root a times root a will give us a equals a square. Now if we take both of them on one side, so we will get a square minus a equals 0. Now take a outside of the bracket, so a into a minus 1 will equal to 0. That means either a equals 0 or a minus 1 equals 0, because if the product of two numbers are 0, then both of them will individually be 0. That means either a equals 0 or a minus 1 equals 0. So from the right side we can get a equals 1 or a equals 0. Now a equals 0 is not possible, so the final answer will be a equals 1.